In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Calendly. By the end, you'll have a simple, shareable poll that lets your invitees vote on the times that work best for them, making group scheduling much faster and more transparent. First, sign into your Calendly account and head to your main scheduling page. This is your dashboard, where you usually manage event types and availability. Make sure you're on the main page so you can access the creation tools easily. Next, start a new meeting poll. Look for the plus Create button, usually near the top right, and select Meeting Poll from the menu. A meeting poll is perfect when you're coordinating with multiple people and want them to choose from a set of proposed times rather than booking instantly. Now it's time to select times. Begin by choosing your preferred time zone so the poll displays correctly for everyone. If your team is spread across regions, pick the time zone most relevant to the organizer, and Calendly will adjust the display for each participant. Choose your meeting duration. This determines how long each proposed slot will be. Then on the calendar, select up to 40 potential time slots for people to vote on. Offer a variety to accommodate different schedules. Mix mornings and afternoons and spread across a few days if you can. If you accidentally select a slot, simply deselect it before moving on. When you're satisfied with the options, click Next. Add your meeting details to make the poll clear and compelling. Give your poll a concise, recognizable name like Team Sync or Project Check-in so recipients know exactly what they're voting on. Choose a location such as Zoom or Google Meet so the final meeting will have a defined place to happen. Add a brief description if needed. Outline the purpose, any prep work, or who should attend. If helpful, open the settings to reserve times while the poll is open, preventing others from booking those slots on your calendar. You can also add custom questions to gather information up front, like preferred topics or agenda items, which cuts down on back and forth later. When everything looks good, share your poll. Click Share Meeting Poll, then choose Copy Link. Paste that link into your email, chat, or calendar message and send it to your invitees. A short note encouraging people to select all times that work for them will help you get better data and a quicker decision. That's it. You've created a Calendly meeting poll, selected clear options, added helpful context, and shared it with your group. Now you can watch responses roll in and schedule with confidence.